Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading to you Princess Smartypants by Babette Cole. First published by Hamish Hamilton, 1986. Copyright Babette Cole, 1986. Princess Smartypants did not want to get married. She enjoyed being a miss. Because she was very pretty and rich, all the princes wanted her to be their missus. Princess Smartypants wanted to live in her castle with her pets and do exactly as she pleased. "It's high time you smartened yourself up," said her mother the Queen. "Stop messing about with those animals and find yourself a husband." Suitors were always turning up at the castle, making a nuisance of themselves. "Right," declared Princess Smartypants. "Whoever can accomplish the tasks that I set will, as they say, win my hand." She asked Prince Compost to stop the slugs eating her garden. She asked Prince Rushforth to feed her pets. That didn't go down too well. He's taken off. She challenged Prince Pelvis to a roller disco marathon. He looks exhausted. She invited Prince Boneshaker for a cross-country ride on her motorbike. He looked a little bit scared. And she called on Prince Vertigo to rescue her from her tower. Oh dear. Have a look at him. She sent Prince Bash Thumb to chop some firewood in the royal forest. He's running away. And she suggested to Prince Fetlock that he might like to put her pony through its paces. But look, the pony threw him right off. She told Prince Grovel to take her mother, the Queen, shopping. Oh, he looks like he's having a bit of trouble carrying all of the shopping. She commanded Prince Swimbladder to retrieve her magic ring from the goldfish pond. Oh, but look where it's landed. Uh-oh. None of the princes could accomplish the task he was set. They all left in disgrace. "That's that then," said Smartypants, thinking she was safe. Then Prince Swashbuckle turned up. He stopped the slugs eating her garden. He fed her pets. Look, he's dropping the bones from a helicopter. Roller discoed until dawn. Rode for miles on her motorbike. He rescued her from her tower. He found some firewood to chop in the forest. He even tamed her horrid pony. Took her mother, the Queen, shopping. And retrieved her magic ring from the goldfish pond. Prince Swashbuckle didn't think Princess Smartypants was so smart. So she gave him a magic kiss. And he turned into a gigantic warty toad. Prince Swashbuckle left in a big hurry. When the other princes heard what had happened to Prince Swashbuckle, none of them wanted to marry Smartypants. So she lived happily ever after.